Hey guys, welcome out to the range. Today I wanted to present you the Tier 1 Citizen 2-point sling. I know that some of you are right now going, wait a minute, the sky is falling. No, the sky is not falling. If you guys will remember, about a month ago when I presented the Tier 1 Citizen single-point sling, I brought out a sling. That one was black, this one is coyote. It was this, it's a 2-point sling. And the whole thing is bungee, and these have to be custom made. I have to custom fit it to the user. So there's going to be an adjustment issue that goes into that. So I decided to go ahead and simplify that by basically giving you guys all the adjustment that you need in the sling, top and bottom. And once you've got that done, you end up with a sling that has all the shock cord adjustability in it. But what you don't have to deal with is, for example, when you're using the gun, or I'm sorry, when you're carrying the gun is just stuck to you. Whether it's in the front or whether it's in the back, the gun just sticks to you. And then when you need the gun, you bring it around, and instead of having to create the room to get into the gun, all you do is grab it and push out, and the shock cord, I can feel it stretching across my back. I have all the control I need, and as soon as I'm done, I bring it back and I release it, and it sticks right back to the body. Like I said, it's this effect. It gives you all the adjustability that you need to go from no jacket to a coat, chest rig, body armor, and then back down again. The one thing that I've heard the most from you guys is, I like single point slings, but fill in the blank, Well, guys, I get it. People think I don't like 2-point slings. I'm very clear that I like 2-point slings. In fact, I say this repeatedly. If you're going to be carrying a gun for extended periods of time, 2-point sling is the way to go. Single point sling is for when you're fighting with the gun, when you are going to grab and go, right? When you're a patrolman and the gun comes out of the trunk or comes out of the rack, and instantly you got to use it. That's the single point sling. The 2-point sling is when you've got to be on your feet for extended periods of time carrying a gun either up front or in the back. You want the gun to just be there. And at a moment's notice when you need it, you need to be able to bring it up and get into the gun and start using it. That's what the sling is about. In fact, you guys will notice that in any video where you've seen this gun, it's always had that right there. Even though it's pre-configured for running on a single point sling, it's always had the QD connection point up front, because I really do like 2-point slings, but they have to be made right. Well, that's why I made this sling. If you guys have any questions, shoot them to me below or at the website, T1Citizen.com. These slings are now shipping. As always, I thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice. Have a good one. Have I mentioned how much I like suppressed rifles? Get you some! Hoorah!